In this video tutorial, I'm going to show how to make a glass glitter star for an ornament or tree topper out of cardboard. So you want to start with a template. I got this from onelittleproject.com, so I didn't have to reinvent the wheel. Cut out the template and transfer it to your cardboard. I just used a cereal box. Cut out the cereal box star with some sharp scissors. And then you want to cut out a second one. Then line up both stars and just make sure they're even. Since we're not a machine, they might be a little uneven. Then you're going to draw a pencil line between the point of each star down to the indentation of the star. And then use a bone folder to score along the pencil marks. A ruler will make sure those lines stay nice and straight. Once it's all scored, then you're going to bend along each score line and really crease that fold with the bone folding tool. Then you're going to kind of push the star into shape. Do that with the second star and then hot glue both of the stars together. I started by just applying glue to one point and then two sides of the other 2 points and started to push it together. And then I applied glue to the remaining sides, leaving one side open, which you'll see in just a minute. If you're going to use this as an ornament, then you can glue all sides and just put a hook or a piece of twine at one of the points. But otherwise, you leave one side open to be able to put it onto the Christmas tree as a topper. I'm using German glass glitter. I pour it into an aluminum baking dish, and then I'm just using plain old Elmer's school glue and applying it with an acrylic artist brush or a synthetic artist brush. My glue is a little old and thick, and that's actually perfect for German glass glitter projects. I apply it a section at a time so that the glue doesn't have opportunity to dry. And then I'll sprinkle the glitter on with a spoon. German glass glitter is actually made of crushed glass, so you don't want to handle it with your hands. You want to use a spoon or some kind of scoop or something in order to apply it. And it's expensive, so you want to make sure that you catch all of the extra and you put it back into a jar to use for a later project. That's why I have some little bits and pieces in mine, like of pine cone and whatever, because I've been using this same German glass glitter for years. It really makes a difference on this project though, especially with like the folded cardboard. You just don't see all of those imperfections with this really thick and sparkly glitter. There's how the star looks. I just set it down in that glitter dish to let it dry and then stick it on top of the tree in the opening that we left at one side of the star. It's just a really great little homemade tree star, and I love how it turned out. It's just a cereal box, glue and glitter.